Morning, morning, morning. Welcome to another Colourful Semantics literacy lesson for nursery, helping to build better sentences. Great, let's crack on. Here we go. We know what we're doing with this. We've got who, doing, what, and where. Orange is the who, yellow is the doing, green is the what, and blue is the where. Good. And we're going to start with our doing words, and our choices today for our doing words are, we have not bike, because bike would be a what. Okay, it's not a what, it's a doing. What do you do with a bike, apart from hang it on your wall? What do you do with a bike? Do you drive a bike? No, you don't drive a bike. Do you sail a bike? No, you don't sail a bike. Do you ride a bike? Yes, you ride a bike. Okay, ride. Riding or ride. There's our choices. First one. The next one. Oven. Nope, that would be a doing. What do you do with an oven? Yeah, you cook on an oven, but what? Look at the picture carefully. What are they making there? Gingerbread. So if you're making gingerbread, it's not cooking, it's baking. Baking fresh gingerbread men. My favourite. I'm hungry now. Who's hungry? Me. Right, so baking. Got baking. And the last one we've got is this one. Man. No, not a man. That's a what or a who. Man is a yellow. So what's the man doing? Look at the little dots in the eyes. What's the man doing? He's looking. He's looking, or he's seeing. Okay, that's our choices. Which should we go for? What's going to be most exciting? Oh, I like bikes best. So let's go for riding. Riding, there we go. So we've got riding as our doing word. We need to know who is riding. Who is riding the bike? Or who's riding something else? So our choices for who are a swimmy mermaid. We know we can see her tail. And she's a girl, so it's a mermaid. Can you have a merman? I think so. It's mermaid. Okay, so she could be riding. We have run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Gingerbread. Okay, gingerbread man. Or we could have a yo-ho-ho pirate. That's right. We could have a pirate. That's our choices. We've got a pirate, a mermaid, or a gingerbread man. Which shall we choose? Let's think. Let's go for pirates. We like pirates. So, we've got the pirate is riding. Now we need to know what the pirate's riding. It could be a bike, but it might be something else. The pirate is riding something. What are our choices? Our choices today are, a lovely birthday cake. I think it's chocolate, and the person is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. Birthday cake. Or, another cake, a different kind of cake. What kind of cake is that, do you think? A Christmas cake. Okay? And then the third thing, let's hope it's not a cake, is Ooh, what's this? When it's icy or snowy, you pull it along. It's a sleigh. Oh, okay. These are our choices. A birthday cake, a Christmas cake, or a sleigh. Which one of these do you think the pirate could be riding on? The pirate is riding a birthday cake. No. The pirate is riding a Christmas cake. No. So it must, if it's not the cakes, it must be the sleigh. Let's see. The pirate is riding a sleigh. Almost right. Let's think. The pirate is riding under a sleigh? No. The pirate is riding in the sleigh. Yes, that makes sense. The pirate is riding in the sleigh. Very good. Now, last question. Where? Where is the pirate riding in the sleigh? Let's see what choices we've got. We've got snakes and a toucan and lots of trees and vines. It's the jungle. The jungle, way down deep in the middle of the Congo. Right, and we've got this. Now, this is the water, and this is a wood that goes into the water where you can put boats, and it's called a pier. Everyone say pier. Say pier. Say the boat was on the pier. Good, pier. And the last one, it was the whole wide world. Whole wide world. So that's our choices. The world, the jungle, or the pier. So we've got the pirate is riding in the sleigh on a pier. No, not really. Boats go on piers. The pirate is riding in the sleigh in the jungle. That could be. Or the pirate is riding in the sleigh around the world. Oh, that sounds good. Let's go with around the world. So, say it with me. The pirate is riding in the sleigh around the world. Why? Why is who normally does that job? Who normally rides in a sleigh around the world? Father Christmas. What's happened to Father Christmas? Why is there a pirate in the sleigh? Did the pirate steal the sleigh and all the presents? Or did the pirate help Santa to deliver the presents? What do you think? Is he a good pirate, helping Santa? Or is he a bad pirate, stealing the sleigh? I don't know. What do you think? Sounds like a start of a really good story. Very good. Let's do one more. Got time for one more. The pirate is riding in the sleigh around the world. Right. So here's our choices. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at our choices. Right. So first choice is the doing. Okay, doing. We've got baking or looking. Let's go for looking. Excellent, excellent. Who is looking? The mermaid or the gingerbread man? We like gingerbread man, we like mermaids. Which one do you want? Let's go with mermaid. Okay, the mermaid is looking. What is the mermaid looking at? The birthday cake or the Christmas cake? Cake or cake? Which one? Which one looks tastier? Well, I do like a fruit cake. I love a fruit cake, actually. But we'll go with the chocolatey birthday cake. Okay. The mermaid is looking at the birthday cake. Where is the birthday cake? Is it in the jungle? Or is it on the pier? Jungle, yeah, looks more interesting. So, the mermaid is looking at the birthday cake in the jungle. Oh, I'm going to change that slightly. Listen carefully. The mermaid is looking for the birthday cake in the jungle. So the mermaid is looking for the birthday cake in the jungle. She can't find the birthday cake. Who has stolen the mermaid's birthday cake? Another good story. Someone's taken the birthday cake, they've hidden it in the jungle, and the mermaid is looking for it. Who was it? Was it the snake? Was it the toucan? Or was it somebody else? Dun, dun, dun. Well done, everybody. That's today. So again, your tasks are to use the doing words of the day, which are riding, looking or looking for, and baking. So make your own sentences up, 3 sentences, using those words. So you could say, Simon was riding his bike up the mountain. B was baking delicious cookies for the nursery children. Angie was looking for her tea in the garden. There we go. Good sentences. Well done, everybody. See you next time. Bye.